Boots on the ground, putting it down. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me. It's Mickey D. I host the Stock Scoop, home of the baby knockout. I want to thank you guys for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. I'm out and about, as you can see right now. I'm trying to get a little exercise in. This is the third time or so that I've been out and walked in the park. It's the book promotion is over. I want to thank all of you for getting the a popular candlesticks book, and the popular candlesticks patterns used by the millionaires, used by the wealthy. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be going over that book this entire year. So I'll be giving you patterns and showing you things to look at. And I just want to thank all of you for getting it. It was hundreds of y'all that got it. It held down the #1 free book there for days in a row. And that's hard to do on Amazon because there's a lot of free stuff on Amazon. But when you have something that's that valuable that's given away free, I believe that, hey, you guys rose to the occasion. So I thank all of you. Thank all of you. And that's my treat to you, since you were so, while I was in the hospital and doing my thing, you guys were so forgiving and so compassionate toward me, and I appreciate that. And thank you very much for your well wishes and you guys doing what you did. And if you didn't get a free copy, then there you can get you a copy. You can get an electronic copy for $2.99 on Amazon or any other store, or you can go $19.95 or what have you. You can get under $20. You can get a hard copy, and it's a very nice book. All the charts and everything is in color. You'll be able to see them. It's really, really nice. So make sure you get a copy of that, ladies and gentlemen. And I just wanted to thank all of you. Yeah, and I really, really want to thank all of you for that. I want to talk to you, though, a minute about something that's becoming very, very popular here, especially the last weeks or so, last 100 and whatever, 20 days or whatever, trading the news. Now, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Well, if you're in the know and you're a congressman or a senator, that's all you do is trade what's coming up, trade the news. It's called insider news. That's what they do. But it's not always a good thing, because companies are successful and then companies are failures. As you guys know, obviously, companies fail, companies rise. But one of the things that I've done in the past, and I'll continue to do it, if you get a lead, a solid lead, I'm talking about from somebody. I'll give you an example of the Baby Knockout newsletter. You get a solid lead. I'd follow up on a lot of that, especially, we have leads now on different areas. We have our uranium, we have our lithium, we have our, which are lithium's down on its back right now. So is cannabis. The government, if you rely on the government for that kind of lead, because they all bought cannabis stocks early on. You guys know that, right? And they couldn't get any legislation through. But they bought cannabis stocks pending legislation, and they got burned just like a lot of other people got burned that didn't get out soon enough. So it was really, really, really bad there on that part, just that part. But there's a lot of other areas, ladies and gentlemen, that you can trade in on the news, because there's news every day. There's tariff information every day. There's things coming out of Washington every day. So it's an opportunity. There are several opportunities, it seems like daily, almost, to trade the news. But you don't want to be caught on the wrong side. You get caught on the wrong side, and you will be in bad shape. You can lose your hat. Well, some of us are toupees. Toupee? I haven't worked. You guys ever see me with a toupee? I don't think so. But I don't have anything against anybody that wears one. Wigs? No, you won't ever see me wear a wig or anything. You know, someone said, "Hey, Mickey D, that AI stuff, man, it's got you looking like James Brown." That's what that's what Strip that comes on. Silver Investing for New Investors is out right now. Also, he's got a book out, so we will have him on. So we'll be thankful for that, and we'll be glad for that. But I just want to say thank you, ladies and gentlemen, very, very much for the promotion. You guys really outdid yourself. You guys are wonderful. You guys are great. Pat yourself on the back. Pat yourself on the back. Oh, my CB hat. You guys like that? You guys like my can-do my CB hat? Los Alamitos there. They're trying to cut the military a little bit. They can't. Certain areas you just can't cut, ladies and gentlemen. Certain areas, I don't care who you're in bed with, you can't cut the certain areas of the military. So you may be in bed with Tom, Dick, and Harry, and whoever, but I don't. That's in the story for another day, guys. We'll talk about it another day. But yes, I'm recovering, and I'm out here, and I'm having a ball because I'm walking under my own strength, ladies and gentlemen. What a blessing. What a blessing. And you know what? Not only the free book, but you guys are going to get something. We're going to have a big year this year. We're going to have a big year. I see it now. It's not about the fall. It's not about getting cut on. It's not about the surgery, the accident. It's about the recovery, baby. That's what's up. It's about the recovery. And your boy, Mickey D, we're going to hit it this year. We're going to hit. Make sure you get your Baby Knockout newsletter. Make sure you're on top of these things. Yeah, a couple people have hit me, asking about the anniversary dates and all. Don't miss, because one of those emails you might get may just be an anniversary date for you, or you have to pay, because if you're not getting it right now, you haven't paid. You haven't paid. So if you're not getting it, you haven't paid. But make sure you renew your subscription, and you'll be taken care of. Make sure you do that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to leave you from there. It's been fun. I just want to tell you about that. And, a lot of people trading the news right now. You got all these events. Just don't be caught on the bad side, ladies and gentlemen. When things are coming up, play the long game. When you're talking news, ladies and gentlemen, play the long game with news. Because a lot of things they'll announce. And they'll announce it might be 15 years away. So if you're going to, the companies that are involved with it now may not be the companies that ultimately win at the end, So you guys be very, very careful when you're playing the news and you're trading on news events. That's what I got to say. Be very, very careful, because you're going to get so much news and you're going to get so many events, they're going to rock your head. So be very, very careful. Like I said, it's fun being out here, ladies and gentlemen. I get long-winded sometimes, but it's just, being able to walk. Don't take your next step for granted, ladies and gentlemen. Don't take your next step for granted. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. When you need strength and energy, look up. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.